Located in Bonbrook Plantation with its numerous lakes and walking trails is this gem located at 8911 Rocky Knoll Lane. Just a quick walk from the lake, this gorgeous one-story with a bonus room upstairs is nearly 2,500 square feet and has 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, a 3-car garage, plus a study. The entryway greets you with gorgeous floors and tall ceilings, and just off the entry is a study with double doors and bay windows. Through the decorative archway sits the large dining room with tons of light shining through, which makes this the perfect place for family dinners. The open living room, breakfast area, and kitchen are truly the heart of the home, with the kitchen touting beautiful granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and an island offering plenty of counter space. The beautiful wide-planked hardwood-like tile continues into the spacious living room, which allows plenty of light and room for various furniture placement opportunities. The master bedroom is spacious, and the master bath offers dual sinks, a whirlpool tub, separate shower, and a walk-in closet. The additional guest bedrooms are very roomy and have window blinds along with ceiling fans and light fixtures. The bonus room upstairs can be used as a game room or a media room and includes a half bath. The spacious backyard has a 17x9 covered patio and is another great space for entertaining. Zoned to George Ranch High School and close to restaurants, shopping, and all the Brazos Town Center has to offer, 8911 Rocky Knoll Lane is a great place to call home.